Hi guys, what's going on? Thank you for stopping by. Today in this video we're gonna take a look at Plusinno wall-mounted fishing rod rack. This is compact version, and it was really interesting when I saw it. So today we're gonna install it and we're gonna take a closer look at it and see if this may be working for you. Alright guys, let's take a look at the packaging. So as you can see, this rod holder is a compact one. So let's look at the package. So alright, so we got, and this is it. So we got the rod holder itself. Quick installation guide, let's see, and some screws and plugs for the drywall. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's all is in there, and as you can see, it's a compact holder, and retainers are on spring. So this rod holder, as you can see, can hold 9 rods. So, all right, let's install it and see how it works. All right, guys. So I was thinking, in my garage is not finished. So, and I was thinking to install rack holder right here. But as you can see, the holes do not line up with the studs in my garage. So I mean, I know they provided the plugs for drywall and stuff, but in this unfinished configuration, this thing doesn't, the holes do not reach the studs. So I mean, it's not a big deal, but Plusinno, the code in the United States to have center to center between the studs 16 inches. So if you could make this thing like an inch longer and spread the holes 1 inch wider, it would fit perfectly without any modifications. But in my case, what I'm gonna do, I do have a plunk that I'm gonna install it right here, and then I'll screw the rod holder right on it. Well guys, this is it installed. So we're ready to store our rods. And as many of us, you know, store out rods, I have one rack holder here, and as you can see, there's a bunch of rods just laying around. So those are the rods we're gonna put in that rack holder. Let's put some rods in it. So as you can see, to put the rod in is as simple as lifting the lever here and just let it go. So it's pretty much kind of just hangs in there. You can buy 2 of these and put, you know, vertically, so you can store rods horizontally, but in this configuration it's just gonna hold the rod and it's just gonna be hanging down. And but because they're the holders are close to each other, so we're just gonna adjust you know, how high or low we're gonna hang our rods, so the reels are not on the same level, so we're kind of gonna stagger them. So all right, let me do that and I'll be back when I put all my rods in here. All right, guys, as you can see, I just put my 9 rods here. I have rods with different kinds of reels and spinning and bait caster, and I have one big reel right here. So I mean, it is much better than have the rods stored in a corner. So it's much more organized and it's easy to access too. Well, guys, this is it. As you can see, it's a compact rod rack, and it's inexpensive too. So you can find it on Amazon. Original price was $29, but right now it's 20% off or 23% off, so it is $23. But if you use a discount code in description of this video, you can get 20% extra off, so you can get it like for 18 bucks or something. So I believe it's a steal for this price. And look, it just all the rods neatly organized here. Well, guys, and if you think that I'm gonna get money if you use my code in the description, no, I don't anything. I just want to make this available to you guys, my viewers. I'm not getting anything for that. So anyhow, go check it out, and you may like it. If you have rods laying around like I did, this thing will help you to organize them. And if you like this video, hit thumbs up. You can subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, just like my code in the description. Hit notification bell, and I'll see you all next time.